Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Amina and I am your class 2 section A teacher. Welcome to the new session. From now I am taking your science, English literature, English language, maths and social studies subjects. I hope that you all enjoy this new method of learning which you never experienced before. In general science subject, we have to cover 4 units in first term. Number 1, the human body. Number 2, health and safety. Number 3, water. Number 4, light and shadow. So let's start the topic Unit 1, the human body. But before we start, students must keep it in your mind. Listen the presentation very carefully, read all the points and clarify your concept. So are you ready students? Let's go. This unit, the human body, split it into 2 parts. In the first part, we have to cover introduction, bones, muscles, joints and exoskeleton. When we hear about the word, the human body, what comes to your mind? Think about it. Okay, look at the diagram, my body. You can see different body parts like stomach, leg, hands, fingers, eyes, nose, ear. These all are the parts of the bodies that we can see. Human body varies in size and shape. People can be tall or short, weak or strong, but all human beings have similar body parts. It's not like that someone have only eyes or only hands. All human beings have similar body parts and these body parts perform different jobs. Let's think. If we do not have bones in our body, what happens? Think about it. Have you all seen rubber band? Yes. It never be static. It always moving. If we do not have bones in our body cannot be stand up right. It means the bones of the body make up the skeleton. It helps us to stand up right and gives shape to the body. Every time we walk, sit on a chair or bend, we are using our bones. Human body have 206 bones. Wow, 206, huh? A big figure. Now move on joints and muscles. Bones do not work alone. They move with the help of muscles and joints. The place where 2 points meet is called joints. When you see the first picture, a joint is a place where 2 bones are meet. They connected with each other. That point is called a joint. Muscles are attached to the bones. It helps to lift things. You can see the second picture. The boy is lifting something, a box, right? With the help of muscles. Joints and muscles help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend or lift anything. Do you know what is exoskeleton? Some insects have skeletons outside their bodies are called exoskeleton. They do not have backbone. For example, snail, crab, spider, grasshopper, butterfly, these all have exoskeleton bodies. Students, let's take a quick review and recall all the points what we have discussed today. Number 1, all human beings have similar body parts, but we look, think and behave differently from each other. Number 2, all living things needs food to grow, move and stay healthy. Number 3, with the help of the bones, and joints, we can sit, walk, jump, run and bend. And the last point, muscles needs food and exercise to work.